let me explain a little something about the different files for those of you who are unaware. With CNC, you can't deal with raster images, short of importing them to convert them to vector. CNC, simply put, it's all about paths. All it is G-code, design. Your G-code, all it is nothing more than paths. Paths upon paths upon paths. Right here, if you look at this toolpath, let me show you the first toolpath, which is, the red lines denote the things in the air. The green ones is when the bit drops down, and the blue is the actual toolpath. You may notice that the very, very tips go up, especially like on the E, the edge goes up and then back down and continues. Reason being, if I were to go just to the edge, despite the fact that it's a V-bit, it's round and it's spinning, so you'll never get those tips unless you go up and to the edge. And that's what a lot of what V-carve does. That is about it for today. I'll see if I crank this ugly Christmas tree out next week. Maybe I'll do a few tweaks on it and show you the CNC as it's going along. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you all for joining me. If you have any questions, feel free to bring them along next Thursday. Have a wonderful evening, all. Thanks for coming by.